Mastering modal verbs in conditional sentences. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deeper into the world of modal verbs, and we're going to focus on how to use would, could, and might in conditional sentences. These can be tricky, but with a little practice, you'll be using them like a pro in no time. Modal verbs express possibility, permission, or necessity. When used in conditional sentences, they can convey various degrees of certainty or speculation. Today, our focus is on would, could, and might. These are often used in the main clause of a conditional sentence to talk about a possible result or outcome. For instance, consider this example. If it rained, I would stay at home. This means that staying home is a possible outcome if it rains. In conditional sentences, would is often used to talk about actions that you would choose to do if a certain condition is met. On the other hand, could is used to talk about potential abilities or opportunities that depend on a certain condition. Finally, might is used to express a possible action that could occur if a condition is met, but there's a sense of uncertainty or doubt. Now that we've gone over the basics, let's try to put these concepts into practice. Here are some writing prompts to help you practice using would, could, and might in conditional sentences. 1. Would prompt. Write a paragraph about what you would do if you won $1 million. 2. Could prompt. Imagine a scenario where you could have any superpower you desire. What would this scenario look like? 3. Might prompt. Describe a situation in which you might decide to move to another country. Remember, practice makes perfect. Use these prompts to practice writing, and don't hesitate to write your own sentences using would, could, and might, too. That's it for today's lesson on using would, could, and might in conditional sentences. Remember, understanding modal verbs can greatly enhance your English skills. So keep practicing, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of the learning process. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!